Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in a Subaru Legacy key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery, which is widely available. Also, grab a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to help open the fob without causing damage. Having a clean, well-lit area will make this quick process even easier for you. Now, let's open the key fob. On the back, you'll find a small silver button. Press and hold this button, then pull out the metal emergency key. Set the key aside. Next, look into the slot where the emergency key was removed. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this opening and gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Gently use your screwdriver to lift it out of its compartment. Pay close attention to how the old battery was oriented. Typically, the positive side, which has text on it, faces upwards. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should fit snugly into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Then, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it clicks. Test your key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to ensure the indicator light flashes. Remember to check the description below for a link to those handy meal prep containers and other great deals. If the light doesn't flash, double-check the battery's orientation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.